Hi guys! Right now we are here in McKinley West area and tara samahan niyo ako. Ano bang meron dito sa McKinley West ngayon? So ito na yung pinaka-entrance ng McKinley West. Ang maganda kay McKinley West area is 34 hectares township to. So kung ano nakita natin sa McKinley Hill, ito lang din yung gagawin ni Mega World dito sa McKinley West area. And ang maganda pa dito, malawak yung mga daanan. So 4 lanes tayo. Then, on my right side, ito na yung high-end na Moritz na mga one of the first na nilaunch ni Mega World. And ito na yung Park McKinley West. So, today, Sunday. So, kahit weekdays, wala masyadong traffic din dito sa loob ng area. Then, nandito yung Albany. And, pwede kang mag-jogging din dito every morning. So, wala masyadong tao. Then, marami pang ilalagay sa Mega World, i-develop dito sa area. So, marami pa siyang spaces. For example, ito, meron pa tayong malaking parking space dito, katabi ng Whiskey Park. And, one of the exciting part, magkakaroon na ng play paddle in McKinley. So, ito siya. So, next year, mga February, open na yan. So, mga mahilig mag-paddle, yan, meron din tayo niyan dito. Then, ito yung steel parking. So, for sure, next project ni Mega World, magkakaroon na rin dyan ng commercial. So, on this right side ko naman, yung McKinley West Village dito. So, right now, nasa 500,000 per square meter na rin tong McKinley West Village. Then, meron na tayong mga existing na mga BPO offices din dito. So, nandito yung Telos, Converge. So, ayan. Also, meron na rin tayo dito Asia Town. So, meron dyan mga restaurants, mga chill time. Up to 3 AM siya open. So, ayan. Ito yun. McKinley Asia Town. McKinley West is developed by Mega World Corporation, the same company behind Uptown Bonifacio, McKinley Hill, Forbes Town, Newport City, and more. Now, let's talk about bakit maganda mag-invest dito sa McKinley West. Una, prime location. Siyempre, katabi lang ng BGC, malapit ka sa Makati at NAIA, kaya super accessible. Second, potential growth. Compared to McKinley Hill and BGC, mas marami pang vacant spaces dito, which means mas madami pang room for development. Ito na yung susunod na i-develop ng todo, kaya mas mataas pa ang appreciation value ng mga properties dito in the coming years. So if you're looking for the next township to invest, McKinley West is your best choice. Ngayon pa lang, you can already see luxury condos, smart home, premium offices, and as more project comes in, property prices will definitely go higher. And the best part, the future of McKinley West looks even brighter. Kung naghahanap ka ng next township to live in or invest in, this is it. McKinley West is the future. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe more for more property tours. See you in the next video.